Saga O Toge. The exit will switch to the right side.